Mema wako ababa aya electronics. Midurani Amankwa Solomon. Me a computer and electronic engineer. And then me be komo kakra fa ekwan a obotimi akonete o Android and I say o smartphone and then my microphone. I obotimi live streaming and I say recording. I obonya audible sound and I clear sound. And then you come me no be dey. Efa COVID-19 by ama sorry a few offices. Obia be meeting and I say obey streaming or the cell phone and I say oh yeah on your gadget or the bay. And then you read the ebisua and all connected to Android and I say iPhone and they have microphone and they are recording. I open nice and quality sound. But trans here who say ese me nya kwan a mefa so a betima connect a small jack at the amount phone. I menya input and output sound. Enti me imagine say mekwa kope jack pin. Sa small jack pin we you ahodo bebre. You 1 2 3 we have 3 connection. You the grounding that's the earth, the right and the left sound. And I'm a sacope we so also our grounding the left, the right and the microphone sound. And he said, oh, compare with me no connectors with me no difference. Oh, it sounds say way for sound, right sound and right sound, left sound and grounding. When you say right sound, left sound, grounding and microphone, and as video. In this opinion, we could me, ultimate connect my phone, ubenya video, ubenya sound, sometimes ubenya another sound, and so. Me trans here who say, and ubi for a smartphone na audio streaming. Kama. But sound a free streaming in Umbano and a very poor. Enti me pekwanya me faswa beti ma connect microphone e dey ma me cell phone and smartphone abram me nya interference bi ana say home bia wo sound no me nya sa jack we ye no me connect me microphone we ma e dey share me phone no anyi e sound say we any input connection bia e wo ho enti me sa akwohwehwe foforo ye sa jack pin we left, right, microphone, and then grounding. Where the me input sound, that's the microphone. Into me imagine some connection. Me connecting my microphone we, edema my phone. A year juma for a second and a sa article. Me a research kakra who say Android phone and iPhone, the connector here are different. Enti ebi wo ho a o connect we mana obenya sound no within short possible time esa beti akọ. Ebi wo ho nso a o connect a betimi connect no monya input sound no. Ti me translate say me draw a circuit diagram. Betimi dey connect microphone e dey mama Android phone and a smartphone. Minya microphone and then this jack I connect sound na ba no na emo ha na e very light nti kwamba na metima fa so ma sound no mo edu ato say me draw a circuit diagram betima fa microphone and a smartphone and he say ohwa ha this is the circuit diagram. Circuit diagram, it comprises of a resistor, a capacitor, a phase capacitor, and then isolated transformer. Obi people say adentina me use isolated transformer. Me person me circuit a be use voltage. It sounds Android phone no, a smartphone. Anywhere you carry it, you don't need any extra power. And the idea na me design, me design idea unplug ansa na ade no ayɛ adwuma. That's the passive one na me say me yɛ ho adwuma. Nti me draw circuit no. Me draw circuit no wie no. Me use isolated transformer. Me use electrolytic capacitor. Me use resistor. Me use phase capacitor wa ha. Isolated transformer na wa ha. Adwuma ɛyɛ ne sɛ ebeyi humming and I say electrical pulse bi a wo sound na ebe no bia transformer na be every ho. Resistor na wo ha na be smoothing resistor. Ebe resistive voltage bi free her air phone no. Phase capacitor no is for smoothing the sound no. Na electrolytic capacitor no so eboa ma unya the depth and sound na open no. And first of all me use transformer, electrolytic capacitor, a resistor, and a phase capacitor for this circuit. Me we no. This is the isolated transformer. Transformer me use ni. Me we no na me kofa resistor. Resistor ninso ni. Sanso na me kofa electrolytic capacitor and also any kuta me wie no me kofa XRL connector and also ni me wie na me kofa me pin na me de be connect sound no and also ni I have 4 connections, the right, left, ground, and then the input sound, that's the microphone. Me we na me imagine say meshishe circuit na me draw you know. Nti me fa transformer no e de call chassis board no so. We the friend chassis board. Me the transformer ni si so according to circuit na ma draw no. So we circuit na eno e na me be hihye. Enti me wie na me kofa register no eni na me de be si so say the circuit no kire me no resistor ni me the resistor no be connect am transformer no eni me kwa kofa electrolytic capacitor no me de be si enchen ha me wie me kofa phase capacitor no we ne phase capacitor no me de eno nso si nchen ha circuit na mu no enie me wie ye na me se da bi be connect SRL connector e de ama na ha se de menya input sound na eba se eye microphone connection and as a jotai and as any other connection to a sound me wie man we na me kofa volume control me kofa volume control variable resistor as we call it. You don't have a volume control. The adwuma ben say and the between sound no. Se sound no forma na me de abiem. Se o soro na me de ateso. O forma na me biem with the connection, the knob enso. Now, we any the maye awie. Volume control nini. And then I control the input and the output sound. now the XRL connector no enso ni ha na we connect your microphone ojo tie input sound bia ha na de bema no connection we phone connector and my intimate sound no bema connection A any device we na amaye no board na amaye no sa board we amaye no eno na da sa circuit we to so here amaye no microphone sound to smartphone about my connected microphone any input sound via to your smartphone we a universal a connected iPhone, Android, any other phone via sa device we etimi e connected. Your devices be a be a oya a be connected for Android phones on kwa. E be onso oya be connected for Apple phones on kwa and I say smart other smartphones on kwa. We a universal. We have the volume control here, and then we have the input connector. The input connection to the phone also enusuni. Into we me connect it. I'm a smartphone. Me you cover and say the menya a perfect connection. Any. Me da connect ya man. Na makofa me XRL jack. Every here. Mama de amano. Sound way, either a microphone, a tie, any other output, and as input sound be out of the money be a bay juma. Say we are sorry, but me the amount on mixing console and our mixer output and our recording output. What they have a or mixer recording output and I say any other output be sound no befa we mu akọ for device no mu device no transformer no isolated transformer no ebe home e bia free mu eno achi no na connect phone ama no ansa na we the sound no akọ awura inside electrolytic capacitor we high a smooth sound no first capacitor we and also a smoothing sound we a filter to filter the outgoing signal. And this is connect a phone or smartphone, and I say Android phone, and I say Apple phone, and my microphone. Now the recording, I was sorry. What the recording, I was studio. What the live streaming, oh baby, you need this device. Ya to the Aya Electronics microphone sound to smartphone. Unya connected ya ubenya a clear quality sound. A passive device and an active device. Passive device means you are not going to connect any power to the device before it works. A active one and can power in the battery and I say adapter and any other power man and sana where you in here power be you just connect it to your phone and then you get the input sound. That's all. Aya Electronics. Ya trans a designing bebre e go ha. And so here bia ye the number go so Aya Electronics ope bia any 0244873453 0244873453 WhatsApp nso obetima WhatsApp yen ewo sanso na amankusdj@yahoo.com amankusdj@yahoo.com sanso na amankusdj@gmail.com o contacting na ibenya bi ade amount ope device ne bia ibenya bi di amount sanso na opeto sua kwan ya fa so ye na frɛ yen number iso